Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can download a file from Google Drive on Android. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Drive app, which we've downloaded from the Play Store. And I've navigated to a folder which contains the document or file that I would like to download to my phone. So we're going to press the three dots on the right hand side, and this is going to bring up these options, and we would like to choose download. I've selected this, and now the download has started and finished. I've now navigated to the File app on my phone and selected the folder titled Download, and here is the file I've just downloaded from Google Drive at the very top. Thank you for watching this video on how to download a file, a video, or any other document from Google Drive on Android. I'll see you in the next video.